in this video I'm gonna show you how to change captions language on your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to go to our settings button, which is located in the top right corner of our screen, and press OK on that. Now find device preferences and click OK. From here scroll all the way down and find accessibility. From here click OK yet again, and now go for the captions. You can already see the language default and click on it. Now find the language you want to choose for these captions, and in this example I'm just gonna pick English United Kingdom. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.